Guys, if you've been trying to move abroad but keep running into the same problem, then don't sleep on Lithuania in 2026. Because while thousands of people are chasing the same countries everyone talks about, a strategic immigration opportunity is quietly opening in one of Europe's fastest-growing economies. We're talking about warehouse jobs, factory jobs, logistics roles, construction positions, truck driving opportunities, hospitality jobs, and many more. And the salaries are significantly better than what many people earn in developing countries. Lithuania is a member of the European Union. Over the years, many Lithuanian citizens have moved to other European countries for work opportunities. At the same time, the country's economy has continued growing. This has created labor shortages across multiple industries. And because employers need staff to keep operations running, many are becoming more open to recruiting international workers. This is exactly why smart immigrants pay attention to countries like Lithuania. Everybody is focused on the same popular destinations. But strategic immigration is about finding countries where demand is high and competition is lower. And Lithuania is becoming one of those countries. Top jobs in Lithuania 2026. 1. Logistics and warehouse jobs. Lithuania is an important logistics hub connecting different parts of Europe. Popular roles include warehouse worker, forklift operator, inventory assistant. Average salaries, €1,200 to €2,000 per month. 2. Manufacturing and factory jobs. This sector continues to recruit both skilled and entry-level workers. Popular positions include production worker, packaging staff, factory assistant. Average salaries, €1,300 to €2,200 per month. 3. Construction industry. Construction remains one of the strongest recruitment sectors. Popular roles include general laborer, welder, electrician. Average salaries, €1,500 to €3,000 plus per month. Workers with specialized skills often earn even more. 4. Transportation and driving. Lithuania has become a major transportation center in Europe. Popular positions include truck driver, delivery driver, fleet assistant. Average salaries, €1,800 to €3,500 per month. This is one of the highest-paying sectors for many foreign workers. 5. Hospitality and service industry. Hotels, restaurants, and tourism-related businesses continue hiring. Popular positions include hotel housekeeper, cleaner, hospitality support worker. Average salaries, €1,100 to €2,000 per month. And in some cases, employers may provide accommodation assistance. Now let me show you exactly how to approach this strategically. Step 1. Prepare a European-style CV. Keep it professional. Keep it simple. Focus on work experience, skills, and certifications. Step 3. Use official job platforms. Workinlithuania.com. yours.europa.eu/jobseekers_n. Indeed Lithuania. These portals regularly publish employment opportunities and information for international candidates. Step 4. Apply consistently. One application is not enough. Successful candidates often submit dozens of quality applications. Consistency matters. Step 5. Secure a job offer. Once an employer selects you, they may begin the process required for foreign worker recruitment. Requirements vary depending on the role and employer. Guys, many immigrants use Lithuania as a place to gain European work experience, improve earnings, build savings, and create new opportunities for themselves and their families. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below, what country are you watching from? If this video helped you, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future opportunities across Europe and beyond. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.